Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all my updated silk press routine. As you all can see, we are starting off on the little struggle bus, okay? But I was able to get this hair in sections. I am going to be using the Olaplex kit for this process. I'm starting out with number 0, which is basically an intensive bond building hair treatment. In other words, it's basically like a pre-poo, okay? So I am going to apply this on my hair. I am not working with a lot of product here because I actually have been using these products a lot for my blow dry routines because it really helps strengthen the hair before blow drying. But I am going to break those sections down to make sure that I am saturating the curls. For this step, you don't want the hair soaking wet. You just want it somewhat damp, okay? So you're going to want to repeat that process all over your head, and then once that's done, do not rinse it out. You're going to go in with number 3, which is basically a repair and strengthener. So this is called the hair perfector. I call this like the curl definer, okay? Now this product really gets your curls to popping, which is like so weird when we use this product to straighten our hair, but it also really defines the curls. With this product, you do want the hair to actually be a little bit more wet, okay? So it's damp hair, but not soaking wet, but definitely more damp, if that makes sense. And you're gonna want to detangle, make sure the product is distributed evenly, and then put that up and repeat that process too. And after you leave this product on for another 10 minutes, we are going to head to the sink and rinse all of it out. As you all can see, my hair is already starting off with a little bit of shine. I do typically have that sandy brown hair, so I struggle with shine just naturally. The shampoo is number 4, which is a bond maintenance shampoo. Of course, it repairs and strengthens as well. As you all can see, it does not let up on the foam and the suds, and I probably use a little bit too much shampoo, but when you're straightening your hair, you need your hair to be as clean as possible. I shampooed twice before going in with the conditioner, which is number 5, and this conditioner is of a mild to thick consistency, but not super thick. I am going to apply that to my hair, detangle and section my hair off with the steamer, of course, and then we are going to leave that on for about 3 minutes. I might have did 10 though, okay? Don't worry, all of these products, including the steamer, will be linked in the description box, okay? I am going to be using the Silk Elements Heat Protectant and my Design Essentials Silk to actually go ahead and blow out my hair. I'm going to actually apply these products to all of my sections before I blow dry because I have found that this actually makes the process go by faster. When I am blow drying, I do the tension method first, which is holding my hair tautly and moving the blow dryer up and down. Then I will add the comb attachment to get the hair even straighter. And this is where you may think you're halfway done, but honey, you still got a little bit more to go, okay? I am going to be using this electric hot comb to kind of go around the perimeter and center of my head. I am focusing on my edges. As you all can see, I have a lot of baby hairs. Reality, I'm not going to get all of that because I'm not burning my forehead, okay? I'm not about that burning life, all right? But I am just trying to get my roots around the perimeter as straight as possible. This is some She Silk Infusion as well. I am applying that to my hair before I go in and flat iron, okay? This is the same flat iron that you all have seen me use in a previous silk press video, and it's holding on tight. I am kind of questioning whether I should get another flat iron, okay? I know a lot of people are really keen on the Baby Bliss, but I am honestly scared of titanium irons, okay? Remember I told y'all about that time I had heat damage? It was from them titanium plates, okay? So I'm not quite about that life yet. Maybe one day, we'll see. But I am going over my roots a few times, and then I am using the comb chase method to straighten out my hair. One thing that I like about this process is by looking at the ends, I can already tell about how much I am going to cut and what needs to go, which is not a lot, but it's just very interesting how straightening your hair will give you a more clear indication of what you need to cut when it is time to trim your hair. And once we are all straightened out, we are going to go ahead and section off our hair, because this process is not complete without getting a good trim, okay? We have to trim those ends. I am a frequent hair trimmer. I love trimming my hair because it really helps with curly hairstyles and it helps with the length retention. So I am not afraid of scissors, okay? Trimming my hair has took time and patience, but I have several videos, and I will link my most recent one below here, but I have several videos on how I trim my hair. Now that my hair is longer, I am starting off in the back and pulling my hair up. You always want to start in the middle so that you can take that middle guide and travel it to the left and right side of your hair, okay? And I am trimming where the ends are very, very fuzzy and very, very uneven, and I am going for that clean cut. When it is time to even up the hair, you all did see that I will pull it to the sides, but throughout this process, trust me, I get up and go into the bathroom and look in all of the mirrors to make sure that what I am doing is straight. Once you have done some horizontal cuts in the back and you have worked your way up to the center, you do want to grab sections of the hair and grab them vertically, just like this, to make sure that you are getting all of the split ends. Split ends will travel up the center of your head, and this is typically where people's split ends will hide out, okay? So just don't stop with doing one horizontal cut in the back, because honey, you ain't getting nothing, okay? Here is where the split ends really are, and you have to make sure that you get them even and try your best to get them all. I am going in with the horizontal cuts on the side of my head, and I will also do that vertical cut process as well. So now that I got some of those dead ends off, my hair has a little bit more movement to it, and now I am just going to go in with some curls because I'm going for a little bit of body. I don't want it to be super curly. I want it to look as natural and effortless as possible, and to do that for me, I just need to add a little body before wrapping my hair. By this point in the video, I was like, oh, I kind of actually want to wear these curls just like this, but I was like, I actually do want to wrap it to kind of experience my length a little bit more. So I am going to comb through those curls and give it an old school doobie wrap, and then I will comb it down in the morning. So it is the morning time and I am getting ready to comb out my hair. I found me a green sweater that actually matched perfectly the long sleeve shirt I had yesterday. So I am just combing out my wrap and I am going to style my hair. As I could see, I was like, I have some body, but I wanted to add a few little flips in the front. So I did do that, as you all will see at the end of the video. Overall, I am happy with this style. I am going to use some of the styles I showed you all last year, which I'm linking in the cards now, to make sure that this silk press lasts throughout the week. As always, I hope you all found this video helpful and useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!